Today, we're gonna be doing butts out, abs in. Because you know that song, skinny in the middle but got much back? Woo, woo, woo. That's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm so excited. Listen everybody, this is gonna be a fabulous workout. You'd wanna make sure you show up to the 8 o'clock workout. If you're not a member of the JNL VIP online coaching program, you guys are really missing. So a couple of quick announcements. Going live at 8 a.m. with our butts out, abs in workout. It's gonna be a beach inspired workout. You will be using your kettlebells, okay? So grab some kettlebells. If you don't have kettlebells, don't worry. I'll show you how to use dumbbells for the moves, okay? And listen guys, February is the skinny jean challenge. I want you to go ahead and get your skinny jeans, try them on, take your measurements, okay? See where you are, and February we're gonna crush this. Now, if you can't get that zipper up, hi Diana, how are you? I'm so happy to have you. If you can't zip that up or button that zipper, don't worry, I got you, girl. We're gonna be doing so many exercises. They're gonna help you lose inches on your waistline, but also no flat fannies here. We're gonna be busting out the booty with this. We're gonna be bubbling it out, lifting the tushy, tightening up the tushy, and having a great time with it. So, couple of quick announcements. Tomorrow at 2:30, I'll be giving away this vibrating foam roller. It's got 3 different levels. Look at this. You can see the vibrations. By Monument Life, one of our proud partners. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you want to know how to make more of this, you do not want to miss Friday's JOLT of JNL, okay? It's going to be awesome. How to increase your abundance, how to attract abundance in your life, okay? First of all, you got to begin with gratitude. I'm going to give you a couple tips. Begin with gratitude. Also, dream it, visualize it. Remember, we're doing the visualization challenge, so make sure you're visualizing. Alter your mindset from seeing lack and not having enough to always seeing abundance, and you're naturally going to attract it. I want you to also create an empowering reality for your life. Create an empowering reality. Realize your potential. Sadly enough, we don't realize our potential. So I, as your coach, I'm going to help you realize your potential, because you have so many gifts and talents and so many ways to earn money this way, that way, residual income, and attract opportunity by always being ready. How can God bless you more if you're not grateful for what you already have? If you're not being able to hold down what you have, okay? What if we just said, let me sleep in, let me just not go to that meeting, let me not answer that email? How can you receive more if you can't even hold down what you got right now? Okay? Now, I want you also to commit to living your dream life. Repeat it after me. I will live my dream life. I can feel it already. I will reclaim and unleash my VIP power. Say it with me. Woo! Come on now. I'm ready, willing, and able to create more abundance in my life. I'm jolted, guys. All right, so they might be sleeping in. They might be hungover from a food coma or too much alcohol. Blame it on the alcohol, exactly. Or their mindset might not be in here. They might be too worried about their hair color. Should I be blonde? Should I be brown? Lady, get in the gym and train, and we'll talk about that later. I'm here to jolt you guys. Listen, it doesn't start working until it hurts. I don't even start counting reps until it hurts. I need you guys to mold the body, crush the body, carve the body. How do you do that? Like a hammer with a nail, with a chisel. You gotta just carve at it. Carve your glutes, carve your butt, carve your back by carving your mindset, okay? So I'm gonna get mine cracking, you guys, at 8 a.m. with our butts out, abs in. We're gonna be doing lots of abs today, so get ready. It's gonna be abtastic. See you guys at 8 a.m. Hello, Rita. I got my lemon water. I think I might just plant a lemon tree in the backyard. So remember all the tips I told you on how to attract abundance. Much more of that on Friday at 2:30. It's the middle of the week. It's hump day, guys. Let's do this. Let's flatten our bellies and push out our booties at 8 a.m. I believe in you.